Greetings, everybody. Lauren Mantecon here. I am a visual artist, a painter, and an educator, guide, and teacher who has been working in the realms of creative practices for over 25 years. The reason I have created the Mantecon Studio membership practice is really out of passion. It's built upon artists in mind to keep us in the flow. When we meet with resistance, which as creatives we all do, I feel there are ways in which to move beyond our resistances so we can get down to the business of not creating in a, let's say, factory style of finding our personal style and never changing it, but to be able to take risks, to be able to understand the narration that might be changing as we evolve on this planet. So what I have set up are monthly prompts as a way to sort of enter into a vortex of switching our mindsets ever so slightly to have a different way of working, a different way of seeing. I give you a meditation. I then have a prompt. I also have a short demo, or I share what's happening in my studio. Because right along with you, I'm hitting resistances as well. And I believe having a safe container, a place that we can come together, which we do every last Friday of the month at 11 a.m. MST. It is recorded, but I encourage everyone to submit work so we can witness together what we have taken from the prompt. It's not about this is our assignment and we are to do it with that in mind. It could just be a way of entering. And whatever it is that you are wanting to submit and talk about, we do together. So that is sort of the skeleton of how this membership works. I do have a mid-month prompt, a reminder, articles of contemporary artists, what people are thinking in the realm of creativity as the narration changes, as the world changes. And that is my description. So give us a try. Our first month is free and it's only $20 a month. And it's, I feel it's a way to come together and visit perceptions of change in the creative realm. Okay, till next time.